How to log out Snapchat from other devices. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about logging out of your Snapchat from other devices. So now let's get started. So to log out from your Snapchat from other devices, the easiest and the most secure way is to change your Snapchat password. When you change your Snapchat password, Snapchat automatically logs you out of your account from all other devices except the one you're currently using. But in the case if you do not want to change your password, go ahead and tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon to go to your settings. Once you're here, go ahead and scroll down and tap on session management, that is under my account section between language and app appearance. Tap on that. You will see the list of the devices where you are logged in. This will show you the device, location and all. Go ahead and tap on the location or the device where you want to log out and then tap on log out from this device and you'll be done. As I said, you can go ahead and also change your password. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.